Well, welcome back to Kant's 96. Yeah, been a while. So I ended up getting rid of the 1290 Super Adventure. Just heavy bike. Good fun, but I got the Goldwing, so that's why I decided to move the 1290 on, or the Super Adventure, and got myself a new bike. So today I'll introduce you to the Super Duke. I've had one of these before. It's a 23 model, got it brand new on one of those KTM Kash deals, whatever. Yeah, it's pretty good, I would say. Easy to turn. The Super Duke I had before was the old frame. The new frame that they brought out, it's next level. So, yeah, so I thought I'd give this a go again. I got it for 18,900 Australian, right away, which is, I don't know how much that, it's all brand new. Sorry, that's just the coal train going past. Yeah, let's take a look at it. So, my mate gave me the RR cover just to break up that orange a bit. The only other things I've done, I put that Chinese muffler on, and 3D printed that tail tidy. So yeah, it works alright. Does the job. I also changed the visor. I put that on. It's pretty cool. Yeah. And also, since I bought a new bike, it's been a while since I got a new helmet, so I ended up getting a KYT. What is it? Oh, I can't remember the name of it, but that's it there. I did a little reel on it, and it's light, and it looks good too. I'm real happy with it. Super light, comfortable. It is very noisy helmet, but I wear earplugs anyway, so it defeats it. Yeah, so the Super Duke, it's like a coal train on rails. It just goes where you want it. Where the rails point, it goes. So I love it. Feels like you're on top of the bike, different seating position. Yeah, and I'm only running it in, so I haven't really to unlock it yet, so I don't even have a quick shifter. So at the moment I'm just shifting on manually, but which is fine. It's all good. Yeah. What do you think of the Super Duke anyway? Let me know. I like the Super Adventure. It was a good bike. It's just that I had two touring bikes in the shed, the Goldwing and that, and it's like, well, the Goldwing is fit for purpose. So, by the way, we're heading back to MotoGP at Phillip Island, which is the last Phillip Island race for MotoGP this year. So we're heading down to that. So I'm hoping I'll get my shit together and I'll be able to film it on the way down when we go through Mount Hotham, because last time I did it, I did a shit job. So this time I'm gonna take the time and try and do it properly. But 3D printing that tail tidy, I think I did a pretty good job. Like, I wouldn't sell it to people, but like, you look from that angle there. I 3D printed Red Bull KTM, goes above the number plate. Yeah, bit of a gimmick, whatever. This frame but how good is it? It's just like I said, like a train on rails. It's next level. I do like this though, breaking the orange up. That was good. That was a good little upgrade from me mate, Jason. I did try and put bar ends on the wind deflectors, but that didn't work. What do you think of me front visor? Let me know. Took me a while to sort it out, but it's all good. I mean, how good does it look? It just looks menacing. I love it. Brembo brakes. Same old shit. I'll start the exhaust up. It's only standard. Still got the pattern. New location, but road works ahead, so can't really do too much. So I was thinking on the way here, some of the good things about the 1290's, the Adventure S, was active cruise, electronic suspension. That suspension was next level. What else? Comfort. It was really comfortable. A lot higher, obviously, but good for travelling. Done a few trips on it, but yeah, all in all, it was a good bike. And if you had to do multi, like dirt and road trips, great bike, because you can do it. I mean, there's no reason why you can't do it on this, but obviously you wouldn't do it if you didn't have to. So, oh yeah. And one last thing I did to the Super Duke, which I forgot to talk about, I put the 40-tooth sprocket on. That was a game changer. More torque, you can go up the range without changing from second to third, flows better, 6 gears a little bit better, but yeah. Anyway, cheers Cants 96. See you next time.